we're gonna do this video right here. We're between Grand Lisboa, the zip line for Macau Palace and Lisboeta, and we're gonna be walking directly down that way. And just, oh, there's a zip line right there. Cool, some people are doing that. That's Koloan Island, all the hiking trails over there. East Asia Games is over there. Who did Tenis, and some casinos. Wind Palace. And we're gonna walk on down. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so that's the Cotai Strip, and we're gonna be walking down, and we're gonna try to capture as much as we can going down this way. Okay, so just kind of give you a little context. Those mountains over there, that's all part of Koloan, and we're on something called Cotai, CO for Cotai, Cotai Strip. It's basically a bunch of inland, they filled in the ocean with land. There's it's a big giant casino. So this basically Cotai Strip is basically what they filled in between Koloan, Cotai, and Taipa. So Cotai, Koloan, and Taipa. And we're gonna be walking by this quite a bit today for this particular street. We're also gonna be walking down towards a landfill as well. That might be interesting. And then down here is Lisboeta. That's a zip line right there. And I came in here and filmed quite a few times recently. There's quite a few people coming in and out of this way, and they go in that street, go in that entrance. But today we're gonna do something a little bit different because we're gonna be walking all the way down, and we'll just kind of see what it looks like. For one, that's this one casino here, Lisboeta. They got a lot of activity kind of stuff down that way, and that zip line goes the whole length of it. And then you can see the Koloan mountain in the background as well. And I was just over there recently. There's also these hospitals that are built called the Islands Hospital. And then this right here, there's a bunch of construction here. So I'm kind of wanted to document this street. I have with a bike. I went through it before, and maybe about 2 years ago. So I kind of want to catch it again because things are going to keep on changing. And I don't know, this road, there might be some other new stuff here. And then there's the Cajo Tunnel over there. They built that about 2 years ago. Cajo Tunnel goes through the mountain and it goes over to the beaches. There's only 2 beaches, but it goes to those 2 beaches. And some nice views of the city as well. But yeah, and all this construction, there's basically like, if you're on that side of the street, there's just like a ton of construction related vehicles. Let me kind of flip this around a little bit. So there we go. Getting sunglasses down a little bit. There's Grand Lisboa behind me. And we are going to keep on going down. So yeah, this whole building, Grand Lisboa, is kind of designed so that it's all kind of like entrances like that. So it's kind of not really sure which one is the front one because it's all kind of symmetrical. Actually, I like the design. I like the fact that they kind of created like that, and it's actually close to the road. Some of them are so far away from the road, and then they spend a ton of money in landscaping, kind of like all this unused space. But this one has like the nice, you know, it's like it's easy to come over here from Lisboeta, that one right there. If I go to one, I usually go to the other because they're like well designed next to each other. So let me see, we're gonna come up to the end here. I'm a little bit tempted to go over there, Phoenix Pavilion. So I guess they have different entrance names. We're gonna go all the way down to the end, and I think what we're also gonna do, there's a fast moving car, so I'm gonna try to go in that construction a little bit just so we can kind of see what's all down there. Somebody going down the zip line right there. There's a zip line right there, and I can see it, but I don't know if you can see it. Okay, let's see. Any cars coming? Yep. So this one is all kind of construction stuff. I'd like to walk in there, but I'm sure it's private property. Let's see if there's any cars. No cars, okay. So yeah, this is all kind of the safe way is the only way. Green site toilets. Basically got all kinds of stuff in this area. I gotta watch out for cars because they could come around the corner real quick. So we'll try to get on the sidewalk. I see it over there, but some of it's not accessible. At the end is a landfill, so here comes a truck. So we'll have to hurry. Okay, so I can kind of see what's all going on in here. It does look like it'd be interesting to explore. There's like, but of course I'm not going to. Looks like it's more abandoned. It's not even functional. They got like, it's all like garbage in there. So I was thinking they would be using that, but it doesn't appear to be the case. Okay. So let's see what the name of the street is. Oh, this is also called Tenis Street. So Rua de Tenis. So actually that's Tenis Street. Where we started at, there's actually a tennis court. And that's kind of a street of like sports. There's like bowling, tennis, different stuff like that. And over here there's a landfill. So way over there you can see a landfill in the distance, all these cranes, and they just bring all the garbage from Macau out there. So yeah, anyways, that's kind of our street. It's a little bit, the lighting is kind of strong right here. Got this massive sidewalk. We'll see what they're doing with this. It feels like just kind of a junk for the whole city, because you know, you got these red white pylons, you got like all kinds of construction vehicles that would not be related to building casinos, you know. Then you got a lot of like temporary housing kind of stuff too. Okay, and over there of course is the construction stuff, landfill stuff. So we come out to the end right there, and you just got like tons of garbage trucks going over there. So anyways, that's Rua de Tenis. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.